Hey YouTube family, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make these crumb pieces, crumb squares with crumbs. Literally, I'll show you, they're literally crumbs. So I am continuing to work on crumb blankets, crumb quilts. My lighting is absolutely horrible here, but here is a some organization of some of my little teeny pieces. And as I go over to my um, ironing table where I have my iron, here are some more. And if I could show you up close, this is the size of some of these. These are probably less than an inch on each side. And I work with all of them and I create pieces like this that I'll start, and I will work up to, let me grab a piece here that you can see. So then once I get them all together, then it looks something like this. And then I'll square it up and cut it down to a 10 inch. I have 4.5, 2.75 by 4.5, 8.5 by 8.5, and 10-inch squares that I'm making to put these blankets and quilts together. So this is to show you what this is what these pieces end up looking like once I finish putting them together. I love them. Once I cut them down, and I'll show you the process, but these are literally crumbs. This is a bigger block that I've done here. This is probably I think this is like a 14-inch block that I've done. But if you'll see, if you look in here, you have some very small pieces like right here. I use all of it. And I know a lot of people will say I don't throw any of it away. I'm gonna show you my bag that for my dog bed stuffing. My dog bed stuffing bag is getting bigger and bigger, and this is shreds now. This is just shreds, but it's getting bigger and bigger, and I'm excited. So I am loving doing these crumbs blocks. This is very therapeutic for me. So you'll be seeing my process as I'm going along. All right, so then what you'll do is you'll finger press this. I do have my little mini iron here, but I'm just finger pressing it open. So then you're gonna get another piece. You'll line it up. And again, not worried about these pieces sticking off because I can trim that up. Put my lead through. All right, and so now we're building this block. So see, it's that easy. And so what I do is I have my little container here, some scissors, and I'll just let you see. I'm just gonna cut all of that excess off. So that's why that's not a big concern to me. And here we go. We're gonna cut this piece off, and I'm not throwing that piece away. I'm gonna use this little piece too. So, and we just keep building. So Let's get us another piece. Here we go. We got us another piece. Line it up. Gonna put it through. Let's get our lead. And here we go. So now, and see how we're building it out. Not throwing that little piece away. I'm working with that little piece too. So now we're gonna get another piece. Let's see what piece. This will work. Here we go. I'm gonna line this up. Same way. Make start another lead. I'll just use this little piece here as a lead. All right, and here we go. And you see how small this piece is, but we're making it work. And here you go. Finger press this open. I'll go ahead. Now I'm not using this little piece here. That's too little for me to work with. And we're gonna get another piece. Here we go. And we're gonna just keep working the block, working the block, working the block. Here we go. Cut this off. And we're even that up. And here we go. Finger press, or you can use your iron to press. Here we go. I'm gonna do one more piece on here, just so you can see me building this out. Here we go. Here's another piece, and with these you can use the salvage end of it. That's fine. Where's my lead at? Put that on there. Here we go, and just like that. So you see how those little pieces I have taken with just those scraps, and I've built out this block. And I'll build this out as big as I can, and then keep going. And you just keep going around. I'll show you how I do the triangles next. All right, I'm gonna show you how I do start the block with a triangle. Okay, so I have this triangle here. And so what I'll do, you still need a straight piece. You still need a straight piece. And so you line them up. No, they're not even. That's fine. They just need to be straight on that edge that you're sewing. But they don't need to be, it doesn't need to be even. It just needs to be straight. Where's my pressure? My foot, my pedal. Alright. Let me get my lead. Alright, so let's show you here. And I'm just gonna press this down. And then I'm gonna get another piece. Now, I have this piece here started. I could link these pieces together and continue this block on here, but I'm just gonna add another piece, and I'm just gonna try to do a different color that doesn't have red or blue in it. Not like that, the same color, to just give some contrast. All right, so here we go. I put it together. Now let's okay. Through. We're gonna cut that down. All right, here we go. Now, the only thing is for when I do my triangles, I don't attach here. I only keep adding around these sides, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'll get this piece here. Let's cut these strings off. And I'll add here. So I'm only adding on those two straight edges. Now I'm just finger pressing it open. It's way better when you actually use the iron because it really presses it down. And now I'm gonna add another piece on this side. Let's find a piece that's longer. Now as you can see, this, I'm adding it on this side. It is not an even piece. It doesn't matter. Just as long as this side lines up, that's all that I care about. It's not, it doesn't have to be even. This is what I love about crumb pieces. You don't have to do a whole lot of making sure it's straight and everything. It's no whole bunch of thinking involved, and I love it. Lead through. All right, open it up, and here we go. So as you can see, I'm not adding here. I'm just adding in this part here. Now, I could have a piece go across, but I don't. What I could do here also is I could put this piece here. And let me show you. Let me show you how easy it would be to make this an actual full square. I don't do it. And see now, let me hold it back. You iron it out and you have, it looks like a square now. You can just keep on, even it off, and keep adding around all sides. And so that's how I started with the triangle one. If you don't like that open edge, you can just take another triangle and just add it on there. You can just even it off. Press it open, and there you go. That simple. These are some of the examples of what the quilt blocks, the crumb blocks look like. And this shows you the different sizes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can know every time I upload a new video.